guys, welcome to our channel Unitech. I am Aditya Kumar. Today we are going to see how to create a blogger account in mobile. Let's start. First we want to go to Chrome and we want to search www.blogger.com. This is the first look of a blogger and you want to go to create your blog. Next you want to give your Google account anyone and you want to give their password also. Afterwards it's open like this and you want to give your blogger name on your display name. I am giving Aditya UT. And next continue in Blogger. Now this is the and it will open like this. Next step is to create new blog. Then you want to give a title for your blog. I am giving Aditya UT. If you want this blogger.com approval, you need to give a unique name, but I am trying this name Aditya UT. You don't want to give any gap. Aditya UT. If it is available, it will come here, right now, but here not available. So we want to change here some. I'm adding 04 Aditya UT 04.blogspot.com. Yeah, see this is available. So next we want to select any of this blogger template. You can see many templates here. This is not a professional template. If you want, no, I will upload a new video on a template. It will too much helpful for your blogger and it looks good in website. So I am roughly taking this blogger template and next create blogs. Yes guys, your blogger account is successfully done. Now they are asking you want to any purchase any domain, but first you don't want to buy any domain. If you want to buy domain, there is no issues. Then you don't want to add money to buy domain, then not problem. You click no thanks. This is your blogger account guys. Now I am showing how to post a blog on your blogger. I'm just uploading a photo. For this information, it is rough guys, I'm saying rough. So I'm choosing a photo. This one. And I'm selecting that, add select. Yeah guys, see here. I'm writing some sample words. Traveling to the best. Okay, I'm giving title for this. If you want to give a best title for your good views or anything, I'm giving here roughly traveling blog. Yes guys, I'm posting this, publishing. Now we go to view blog. We can see there our blog post. Share guys. This is my template. This is my name Aditya UT. What you wrote in title, and this is my post. Travel blogging. If you open this, you can see here traveling is the best. Like you can make a blogger post, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and share the video. if you need any information about tech, please comment below guys, and I'm giving my Telegram channel link in description. Please join that, and thank you guys.